street, freezing cold, no matches sold. Barefoot and nothing to eat. On the dark and frosty New Year's Eve, she lights her matches till all are gone. She sees a vision in which flame so bright that slowly fades with the deepening light. She sees a burning stove, a rich meal, and a Christmas tree. Without a penny, she can't go on the dark and frosty New Year's Eve. She lights her matches until all are gone. She sees a vision which flames so bright that slowly fades with the deepening light. She sees her grandma too. We love